Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be working on an 11th gen Honda Civic. In today's video, we're going to be installing some LASFIT all-weather mats. Let's go. Some of you guys might remember me installing some floor mats on the FK7 about a year ago, and then just recently we installed some floor mats as well on the Type R. Well, LASFIT also has some all-weather floor mats for the 11th gen Honda Civic, and today we're going to be taking a look at it as well as installing it on the 11th gen Honda Civic. And as always, if you guys are interested in this product, I will be linking it down below in the description, as well as my code CTFK7. You'll get an extra 10% off when purchasing this product. This is what it looks like with the stock mats. As you can see, it's not covering all of the driver's feet, and there's really no walls, so anything that goes on your floor mat, it's just gonna spill right off. And if I lift this up, you can see how dirty it is. Well, this car is actually pretty clean, but you get my point. There's really no wall to stop all the dirt from like escaping the mat. And of course, this is what the rear looks like. For the rear ones, you don't get any protection right here. Just like the front, you don't have any walls. So like if you have any dirt or anything that goes onto your mats, then it's not going to protect your floor from anything. It's just going to spill right on the floor. And these mats are super hard to clean. So this is what the all-weather mat looks like. It's really flexible, so you can actually be rough on this. I actually made a video of me stomping on the mats and like getting it all dirty. Here's a comparison of the two mats. This came from the Type R, so they look similar. Only a minor difference between the two because of the shape right here. This is a little bit wider than the one that we have on our 10th gens. The bottom part is also a little bit different as well, and we do have a bit of a raised design right here compared to this one. This is more of a flatter kind of design, but as you can see, I mean, I've had this for 6 months. I've never washed it ever since getting it. It survived winter especially, and literally all I have to do is just spray some water and some soap, maybe scrub it off a little bit, and then it'll look brand new just like that. These are what the mats look like. Obviously this is for the rear, and as you can see, it's just a one-piece design, whereas on our 10th gen Civics, this was separate. It was like a 3-piece design for the back. It was all separate, whereas this one is just one whole piece. The only thing that's different from these is that it doesn't have a LASFIT logo right here for the rear ones, which I'd rather have the LASFIT logo there, but I don't know, some people prefer it to be plain, but in my opinion the LASFIT logo should be here. So now that you've seen the mats, we're gonna go ahead and install it inside of this car and compare it with the stock mats. So with the 11th gen Civics, obviously our mats are down here, so what I do is I just push the seat back, and it has little locking pins. Well, this was supposed to be locked here, but you pretty much have to just twist this to unlock the mat. There's 2 of them, one on each side, one there and one here, and that's how you get your driver's side mat out of the way. And as you can see, the cloth versus the all-weather mat, it really makes a huge difference, because you're gonna have to use like those carpet vacuums for this, whereas this one you can just spray water on it and then it'll dry off within probably 10-15 minutes, and then these ones are really hard to clean. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just drop this down into the driver's seat, and make sure when you're installing this, you do have to make sure it goes inside, because you see how there's like a little slot for this locking mechanism down here. All you have to do is just align it, make sure you pop it in place, and then twist it to lock it. Same with this side right here. You're gonna want to lock it in place, and there you go. Amazing. So now we're gonna be doing the passenger side, and it's pretty much the same as the driver's side, except this side doesn't have locks. in just like that. Remember to readjust your chair to your preferred position. There you go. So now that the all-weather floor mat is installed, as you can see, we have this middle piece right here. If you have any passengers sitting in the back, you won't have to worry about this part getting all dirty because this is now protected by this all-weather floor mat from Lastfit. Having all-weather floor mats is really going to be helpful. Not only will it protect your flooring, but it's actually really easy to clean off if ever you do go inside your car with like, let's say, dirt, or during the winter time when the roads are all salted up, you're going inside your car and you're bringing all that brine or whatever inside your vehicle. Alright guys, so that about wraps up this video. If you're interested in these floor mats from Lastfit, I will be linking it down below in the description. Also use my code CTFK7 for an additional 10% off. Anything in your cart, your whole purchase, you'll receive 10% off. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be making in the future, because I do post every week. Thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out. To go. Sorry if I sound out of breath. I do have COVID, so you might be hearing me breathe all over this video. And that's basically how you take off your bumper on the FK7 or any 10th gen Honda Civic. Same thing goes for the Type R as well.